Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning video. Today, we will talk about the digital world. We will speak slowly, clearly, and with emotion, so you can understand every word. Yes, the digital world is a very big topic. It is connected to our life daily. So let's begin our conversation.
So, tell me, do you like living in a digital world?
Yes, I do. The digital world makes life easy. I can study, work, shop, and talk to people online.
Yes, that is true. Technology makes many things possible. Sometimes, I feel surprised at how fast everything is changing.
I agree. Before, communication was slow. People wrote letters. They waited days or even months. But today, we can send messages in seconds.
Yes, with one click, we can talk to someone living far away. It feels magical.
But tell me, do you think the digital world is always good?
Not always. There are advantages and disadvantages. For example, the digital world helps us learn new things, but sometimes we use it too much.
Yes, sometimes I spend hours on my phone or laptop, and then I feel tired and distracted.
Same here. There are many apps, videos, games, and notifications. Sometimes they make it difficult to focus.
So, what do you think is the best way to use technology?
I think we should use it in a balanced way. Technology should help us, not control us.
That is a good point. We should use phones and computers for good things, like learning, working, or staying connected with family.
Yes, and we should also take breaks. We need time to rest, read books, talk to real people, and live offline sometimes.
So today, we learned that the digital world is powerful. It helps us connect, communicate, and grow.
But we must use it responsibly, with balance and awareness.
Yes, technology is a tool, not a master.
Exactly. Arjun, do you ever think about how the digital world is changing us?
Yes, Maya, I think about it a lot. Sometimes I feel life is moving too fast.
I agree. Before, life was simple. People talked, people met, people spent time together.
Yes, now people scroll, people swipe, people like, people comment, but sometimes they forget to talk face to face.
Yes, that is true, but the digital world also helps us. We can study online, we can work online, we can connect with people far away.
That's right. My cousin lives in another country, but because of the digital world, we can video call. It feels like we are close.
Ah, that's sweet. I also love digital learning. There are videos, there are apps, there are online classes. Learning English becomes easier.
That's true. Even this conversation helps us learn English. We are speaking slowly. We are learning naturally.
Yes, and we are understanding every word. Slow speaking helps the mind remember.
Maya, do you think the digital world will grow more in the future?
Oh yes, definitely. There will be more artificial intelligence, more smart devices, more digital jobs, maybe even virtual worlds for meetings and classes.
Wow, that sounds exciting, but also a little scary.
Yes, I feel the same. Technology is powerful, but we must use it wisely.
So Maya, what do you think is the most important rule in the digital world?
Use technology, but do not let technology control you.
Yes, balance is important.
Correct. We should enjoy real life too. We should talk to family. We should spend time with friends. We should touch grass and feel the world.
Touch grass. I like that.
So Arjun, one final question. What do you love the most about the digital world?
I love that. We can learn anything anytime from anywhere.
Yes, that is beautiful. And what do you love the least?
I do not like that some people compare their life to other people online. It makes people sad.
Yes, true. Social media sometimes shows perfect life, but real life is different.
So Maya, what is the lesson today?
The lesson is, use the digital world to learn, to grow, to connect, but do not forget to live in the real world.
Perfect message. Maya, have you ever thought about how fast the digital world is growing?
Yes, Arab. Sometimes I think about it. Technology is changing every day, and because of technology, our lives are also changing.
You are right. Before, people used notebooks to store information, but now, people save everything on their phones or computers.
Yes, and earlier, people visited banks to check their money, but now, we can check our bank balance in just a few seconds using mobile banking.
True, technology is making life easy and fast.
But Arab, do you think digital life is always good?
Not always. Digital life has advantages, but also disadvantages.
Yes. For example, people spend too much time on their phones, and sometimes they forget to talk to real people.
Exactly. People stay connected online, but disconnected in real life.
But Arab, do you think we can balance this?
Yes, I think we should use technology, but we should not depend on it completely. We should use it to learn, grow, and work, not just for scrolling or wasting time.
I agree. Digital world is powerful.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this video with someone who's learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and end.